Once upon a time in the enchanting North Pole, there was a bustling village where Santa Claus and his cheerful elves lived. The air was crisp with anticipation as Christmas Eve approached. In the heart of the village stood Santa's magical gift factory, a wondrous place where dreams came to life. Santa, with his rosy cheeks and twinkle in his eye, was busy overseeing the final preparations for the big night. His red suit shimmered in the glow of the northern lights as he checked his list one last time. The elves, with their pointy hats and merry laughter, worked tirelessly to wrap presents, ensuring each one sparkled like the freshly fallen snow. As the sun dipped below the horizon, the workshop came alive with the warm glow of twinkling lights. Inside the factory, candy cane-striped conveyor belts carried toys of all shapes and sizes. The sweet scent of gingerbread wafted through the air, and festive music echoed off the snow-covered walls. In the corner of the workshop, a magical toy-making machine hummed with energy. It had the ability to turn children's wishes into real toys, creating the most extraordinary gifts. The machine was adorned with bright buttons and levers, each one with a label like Giggles and Grins or Imagination Unleashed. Santa approached the machine, his eyes gleaming with joy. With a twirl of his fingers, he activated the Wondrous Dreams button. Instantly, the machine whirred to life, producing toys that glowed with the magic of children's dreams. Outside, the reindeer stamped their hooves in the snow, eager for their journey around the world. Santa, his sack full of enchanting gifts, climbed aboard his sleigh. The sleigh bells jingled as the reindeer soared into the starry night sky. The village below disappeared beneath a blanket of snow, and the world awaited the magic only Santa could bring. Down chimneys and through snow-covered landscapes, Santa delivered gifts that brought smiles to children's faces. As dawn broke on Christmas morning, families awoke to find their homes aglow with the warmth of the holiday spirit. The air was filled with laughter, joy, and the sound of children unwrapping their magical gifts. And so the tale of Santa's magical gift factory became a cherished story, passed down through generations. In the heart of the North Pole, where the air was forever filled with the spirit of Christmas, Santa and his elves continued to spread love and magic to children around the world, making each holiday season more enchanting than the last.